Reporting is essential for understanding your business and tracking performance. Quickvee makes it simple to access the insights you need. In this tutorial, we'll be focusing on payments reports. Your payments report gives you clear visibility into how revenue is coming into your business. By understanding which payment methods are being used and how much is collected through each one, you can reconcile totals accurately, monitor trends, and ensure your daily deposits match your sales activity. Starting off, head to the Quickvee dashboard. Then from the menu on the left-hand side, tap on Reporting, then Payments. Here you'll find the Payment section of Reporting. Here, you'll be able to view data for all accepted payment types. The charts displayed in the center provide a visual breakdown of each payment method by sales count and sales amount, allowing you to quickly identify your top-performing tenders. Below the charts is a table that provides a detailed summary for each payment type, including sales count, sales amount, return count, return amount, and net tendered. At the bottom of the table, you'll also see the total amount across all payment types. If you need to view data for a specific time period, use the date range filter at the top of the page. You can also filter the source of the data by selecting in-store or online, allowing you to separate physical sales from e-commerce transactions. And there you have it. With payments reporting, you can confidently reconcile payments, monitor tender trends, and ensure your daily totals align with your deposits. You now have the insights you need to manage your business confidently with Quickvee reporting. Quickvee, management made easy.